welcome to a new Ask Now summary. Today we are introducing the book The McKinsey Mind by Ethan M. Raciel and Paul N. Friga. What is McKinsey? What are the techniques successfully applied by McKinsey? How to solve problems following the McKinsey style. How to implement a decision-making process as successful as that applied by McKinsey. How to communicate ideas effectively. How to implement these techniques in the career. How to implement these techniques in the organization. See some answers below. McKinsey. McKinsey & Company, the consulting firm with headquarters in New York, was founded in 1923 and has become the most successful consulting firm around the world. It has 84 offices around the world and employs 7,000 professionals. They advise business leaders on how to improve their strategies, organizations and operations. They also assist government groups, institutions and non-profit organizations in their administrative challenges. Each project and each customer is addressed in a single, unique way, from the formation of the project team to the formulation of the final recommendations. It is a firm based on values, providing the best service and professionalism to customers and creating a unique environment for its consultants. One of its guiding principles is respect for individual responsibility for balancing personal and professional life, which means consultants are responsible for managing their own time. The solving problem process. McKinsey's solving problem process considers the following components. Consider the needs of business. A problem cannot be solved without a problem, or more broadly, a need on the part of the customer. The needs are competitive, organizational, financial and operational. Analyze them and find the solution. Once the organization has identified the problem, you can find the solution. It is necessary to structure the problem, define its frontiers, design its analysis, collect data and construe it to approve or disapprove hypotheses and develop a course of action for the customer. Present the solution. Once the solution has been found, it is necessary to communicate it so that it is accepted by the customer. Ideas should be presented clearly, convincingly and briefly. Management. The success of the problem-solving process requires good management at different levels. The teams should be motivated, developed and properly set up. The client should be kept informed, involved and inspired by both the problem-solving process and by the solution itself. You are well aware that customers should be obtained, maintained and withheld. Once you get them, you should build a good reputation for the client to recognize that you are the one who can provide answers to their needs. It is necessary to give special consideration to their wishes and needs. Team management is more an art than a science. It is therefore necessary to make a careful selection, keep constant communication and contribute to its development. Self-management is important. It is necessary to find mentors making the chief look good, to take advantage of personal networks and to manage the use of time without surpassing oneself. Implement the solution. To implement the solution, it is necessary to devote enough resources, react in time, complete the necessary tasks, diagnose regularly and make changes. Leadership. It is the link between solution and implementation. It is necessary to have a strategic vision, provide inspiration for those who are put to work in the implementation. Finally, it is necessary to delegate authority to oversee implementation at all levels of the organization. An essential component is third, how to present ideas. McKinsey devotes much time to train their consultants to structure their presentations. Ideas should be presented clearly and convincingly. Organization and simplicity are highlighted. Presentations should be clearly and logically structured. In addition, they must pass the elevator test. Sometimes you do not have much time to present an idea clearly and precisely. Therefore you should be able to explain it in 30 seconds, what an elevator trip lasts. Will you be able to present an idea in just 30 seconds? Do you have the heart to do so? Do you think your colleagues can do so effectively? Can you help them do it well? Do you think they will be able to pass the elevator test? In brief, you can learn to frame business problems, to conduct analyses based on facts and data as well as instinct, communicate solutions based on facts and figures to all those who must make decisions, capture and manage organizations' know-how in order to maximize their value. We hope this book will help you fulfill your mission. We have introduced the main concepts of the book. To help you strengthen your learning, a practice drill will be available. You will also find a PDF file where the introduced concepts are expanded, and an application tool that will help you transfer them to the assignment, as well as the class on iPod video and MP3 carry-along format. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to meet you in our next summary.